Last, good afternoon, last 4 days at work. Yes.
Because I need to go to my school.
Because go to school. Sit in. Hindi mapapalit yan, ginagasgas mo.
That's how I straighten up paper. $5, by the way. I'm gonna put it in my wallet.
Ayan po, naging salary niya for few days, 1 month. Salary mo for 1 month?
This is my salary from the month.
A month.
Being here. Kasali din to sa piggy bank ko, like all my
Yeah.
savings. So the half of it is like work, and the half of it is from my piggy bank. Now I keep it in my wallet.
And stand up and hold your bag. Hold your bag. Because you want to
This is the last
store for a month.
This is the last time you'll see my.
4 days. Last 4 days.
This is the last
4
4 days
days.
you're gonna see my bag.
Yeah.
Very sturdy, and it's like made out of cotton, so
Lalagay natin title. Last 4 days.
so it won't break.
Last 4 days at work. Because going to school.
I'm just gonna sit in for like 4 days, and then I'm gonna go to Bicol, and then I'm gonna wait for like a couple of days to get my bags ready, and then I'm gonna go in the airplane to US, and I'm so excited and so sad.
Excited and sad.
Yeah, because I'm gonna say goodbye to my Filipino family in this Filipino place, in this Del Pilar, in this Philippines. I think the last time I swam in the dagat is I totally forgot, but I think it was like months ago.
Maybe June?
No, it's like May or May.
Maybe June.
No, it's not June. It's like maybe May or my March. My March. I mean March. Oh, it was Mama's birthday. Yeah, you're right. It's June.
Yeah, June 1.
June 1. It was Mama's birthday that time.
Yeah.
And we went swimming. And like we had this like little car, and we were like so siksikan kami dun sa likod.
Very crowded.
Yeah, so crowded.
Because
it's so tight because like the car only had like 2 seats in the back for regular people, and two seats in the front. So it's like a normal car. So like so 4 people sat down on the 2 people chair, which is in the back.
Ache, nanay.
Yeah, Ache, nanay, mama,
Mama
and my brother, and then
2
my
brothers.
big brother, and then Ariel,
5, 6.
Ariel and Lola Flor were in the front passenger seat, and then Lola Amang was driving, and I was kandong. I was sitting on my mama's lap, and I hated that. So the good thing is I sat down on the
good thing.
The
Floor.
Yeah, floor of the car, and it was more comfortable than sitting on my mama's lap. Good thing I get to sit on the floor of the car because it was so comfortable. But it began
3 hours more?
No. It began so hot, like the floor of the car was like so hot. And I remembered if I sat in a hot place, I'm gonna get a stomachache. So I have no choice but to sit on my mama's lap again. And then when it's like not hot anymore, I'm just gonna go back.
Okay.
So
that's story for today.
Yeah, that's story for today. Next.
Tomorrow again.
Next is tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
And
Thank
I'm
you.
never.
Last 3 days.
These 3 days, I'm not gonna absent because I need money.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Bye.